I'm going to be starting a series called Minecraft Living in the Wild, and this is not the series, it's just telling you since I haven't got a PVR yet, but yep, it's going to be on this map. The Mantis apples, the famous. This is my friend building his house. And we are creating a mine. So this is all it for today, guys, this video of my series I'm going to be starting. Thanks. Sorry dogs. Thanks guys. Bye.